Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you'll be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 5, and its title is Festivals in Pakistan. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 6, it's part A, how we can express and how we can respond to opinion. So we are going to learn today about opinion, how we can express and how we can respond. If someone expresses his or her opinion, so how we can respond. So before in English for grade 3, my dear students, we have already learned how we can express opinion, like express your opinion about different things. We have already learned about it. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to get more about it, that how we can express our opinions. So our today's student learning outcome is use appropriate expressions in conversation to express and respond to opinions. So two things we are going to get from this SLO, my dear students. First is that how we can express our opinion, and the second one is if someone expresses opinion, so how we can respond it. Okay. So my dear students and my dear teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Imran, verse number 105, and do not be like those who split into sects and differed after clear proofs had come to them. It is they who will suffer a tremendous punishment. Okay, this beautiful verse is telling us about that it's our firm belief, my dear students, that Allah is one. He is only one. Okay, and one and only, that we worship. All being a Muslim, it's our firm belief that on the oneness of Almighty Allah. So this beautiful verse is also telling us that three things are there that we can follow Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we can follow Al-Quran to get guidance. Okay, so this beautiful verse is also telling us that we should follow our life according to the Quran. So pre-reading question is there. What is an opinion? What is an opinion? Already we have learned about it. Okay. How do you respond to an opinion? Two questions. What is opinion and how we can respond to an opinion? Good. Excellent job. Okay. Let's see. An opinion is a view or a judgment formed about something, not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. Yes, opinion. Opinion, my dear students, is not a fact. Already we have learned about fact also, opinion also in our 4th grade, in 3rd grade. So opinion is a personal view. Okay, it's a personal view about anything. So if I'll give a personal view that this pen writes very well, it's my view. Okay, and it's my opinion. Okay, so you have a different opinion about it. Got it? So such type of words, such type of things, sentences that vary people to people, so such type of response and such type of statements are called opinion. Got it? And it may be changed. Opinion can be changed from time to time and from people to people. See, there is a question that boy is saying, I like the smell of roses. Okay, he likes the smell of roses. It's his opinion, my dear students. Maybe you don't like the smell of roses. You might like the smell of like jasmine and other flowers. No matter that these are roses, marigold, it's up to you. So it means different opinions and different likes are there. So what does he like? He likes the smell of roses, and few people don't like the smell of roses. So in this way, opinion can be changed about anything. Next, there are different colors of roses. There are different colors of roses. Two sentences were there, my dear students. So you can see, what are these? Can you find? Yes, we can find that different colors of roses like pink, purple, yellow, like orange, red rose. So which is your favorite flower? Oh, my favorite flower is pink rose. And which is your favorite flower? Tell to your teacher. Good. So this is a fact, my dear students. So can you deny that there are not many colorful flowers are there? Definitely there are different colors of flower. Okay. So let's see. Okay, there is for you how we can express our opinion. So open your page number 40, my dear students, on your book. So you have to express opinion like Sania. I'm going to read, you will also follow me. Anam, how was your trip? Anam, it was great. I enjoyed with my family very much. Sania, which place did you visit? Two people are there, my dear students, Anam and Sania. These both girls are friends and they are discussing, and now they are going to give their opinion about a trip. Anam, we visited Sawat Valley. It is so beautiful. Its natural scenery attracts you. The mountains are so green and the air is fresh in that area. Sania, yes, I also visited Sawat, my family, last year. That place is full of natural beauties. Anam, the blue and green water of River Sawat is also worth seeing. The water sparkles in the sunshine. Wow, so how that, can you get that? These both girls gave different opinions about the visit of a Sawat Valley. So how you can get that? This is the way. If they are saying that that thing is beautiful, so we can say that thing is soothing, that thing is so pleasant environment, so pleasant atmosphere is over there. So in this way we can express our different opinions about anything else. So there is an amazing activity for you, my dear students. So be ready. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do? You have to divide the class into two groups. Okay, my dear teachers, you have to divide class into two groups. So what next you will do? Show a picture to the students. The image can be of people, places, products, or events. It's up to you. That picture you can get easily, so you can show to your students. If there is a book, if that picture you can find in any textbook, so you can show to your students. Okay, my dear teachers. So next, what you will do? Ask group 1 to express opinion about the picture. Okay, in two groups, one group will express opinion about the picture that you have shown them, and the next, now group 2 will respond to the opinion. In second round, group 2 will express opinion and group 1 will respond to the opinion. In this way, one group will tell opinion and the next will respond to the opinion like, I think so, I don't think so, this is my opinion, I think that, in this way. Okay, this is a beautiful activity and you can express your ideas relating it. So perform this beautiful activity in your class and then come back. Good, excellent job and well done. So what's your homework for today? Write 5 opinions and response for each opinion. This is your homework for today. You have to write 5 opinions. It's up to you. You can get, my dear teachers, you can give them a selected topic also. It's up to you. But they have to write 5 opinions and they will have to write a response expressions related this opinion. So my dear teachers and my dear students, this worksheet link is given below. You may click it and download it and divide it into students in printed form. What they have to do in this worksheet? They have to tell about, do they like chips or popcorn? One thing they have to select and then give reason and give opinion that why they like these. Okay. So what we have learned today? We covered today to use appropriate expressions in conversation to express and respond to opinions, and in this way we have covered up our SLO. Use appropriate expressions in conversations to express and response to opinion. So this was our SLO that we have covered today, and we got that how we can opine related anything, okay? And different people have different opinion. Got it, my dear students? I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon. Till that time, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.